Hello everyone. This is Eva from BKHD. Today, I will show you our factory. Our factory is in this building. Follow me. Now we have arrived at the production department on the second floor. Let's go in and have a look. Hello, now we have arrived at the SMT production line. We have 6 SMT production lines. Our production capacity can guarantee the production of 60,000 products per month. Next, we will show you the details of the SMT production line.
This is an automatic board loading machine that can automatically load PCB boards into the machine. This is a solder paste detector that can check whether the solder paste on the PCB board is accurately applied and prepare for the next step. These are 2 Yamaha 542 SMT high-speed placement machines, which can embed the required electronic components on the motherboard. After the electronic components are embedded, the AOI inspection machine will inspect the PCB board to ensure that all components have been accurately embedded to ensure good quality. When the AOI inspection is completed, the motherboard will enter the reflow oven for soldering and solidification to fix the electronic components on the motherboard. After the reflow oven curing is completed, the motherboard will enter the AOI inspection again to ensure that the position and height of the components are accurate. Here is the IPQC inspection equipment. Put the motherboard into the instrument for scanning, and check the position and quality of motherboard components to ensure reliable quality during mass production. This machine can perform X-ray scanning of motherboards. This is the machine for burning BIOS.
Hello everyone. Now we have arrived at the DIP production line. Please follow me. When the plug-in is completed, the motherboard will enter wave soldering and the plug-in will be fixed. Now we have arrived at the test line. For all motherboards that have been produced, our colleagues will test the motherboard interface. Now that we have arrived at the aging area, we can conduct aging tests on the product to ensure that the product can work stably for a long time. This is our low and high temperature controller. We can perform high and low temperature testing on the product. This is our test room. Now we have arrived at the third floor. This is our warehouse. Follow me.